Hello everyone, as promised, the tour of our house, our huge mansion. Come on in. As you walk in, you can pretty much see the entire house. Erica, please. We have some really nice pictures of like our friends and family over here. Actually, just friends. Lots of Stu, Josh, Kirsten, everybody else. All right, so this is our huge house pretty much. You can see the entire place right here. You got the kitchen. Erica, one of the things that Erica wanted in her house was, she's like, I want an island. But she never specified how big the house around the island had to be. So that's her little island where she works her magic, right here. Then we have this huge dining room where we can almost comfortably fit 4 people. We bought this beautiful divider for Erica. And then you come to this amazing living room with all this space. We had to redo everything because the couch that we bought at first, she wanted a pull-out couch, and I remember, I think I saw that before, but you'd come up to here, and when you opened the couch, it just became like, like a bed, the entire thing. Because it's actually very short. Look at this. You can almost touch the other side. It's not that big. And then we had to buy this little Samsung TV that it's like on the wall, right? Because just to make more space. And because of the price, that's like Erica's biggest pet peeve. I bought like a 32-inch because it's expensive. So yeah, I installed these myself, as you can see by the extra holes that I put in the wrong place. Good luck finding like something to match now, like a paint to match. But that's it. And then we go outside. Oh wait, should we show the bedrooms first? No, outside. Go outside. And I don't know if you guys remember what it used to look like before, but this is the final, like what it looks like now. Erica wants to plant some little things in there. Like some little, I don't know, vegetables. And I got this cool thing. I don't know if you remember this in the US where you can like electrocute bugs. And I just kill bugs all day there. It's pretty fun. And then this is our huge guest bedroom. It's very small. It's less workspace here too. It's very tiny, but it used to be a lot smaller. It used to come up to here, and then the wall used to come to here. So that was used to be the entire room. So we busted the walls, make it longer, made it wider, and this bed right here, actually, we can pull it out, and then it's 2 mattresses, and then one goes over the other, and it becomes like a queen size bed. So we have we try to do the best with the small space. We figure like if one person can by themselves, they can sleep here. A couple, we can open up. And if it's like 2 friends, they can just put this on the floor and everybody's happy. Because if you fancy, there's not a place for you. What, there? Yeah. Okay. Well, and I think now we can go to the bedrooms. Oh, the laundry room. So before the washer was in the laundry room and the dryer was in this tiny room. Now we just put both of them together. That's our little match, as you can see, but it does the job. Got a water heater back there. Huge water heater. It's actually like enough for 1 shower. And we finally got the, what is it called? The water thing?
Water fountain.
The water fountain to work, which is nice. Like it's peaceful over here. We also ordered some furniture for outside, but it's gonna be like 2 weeks before they deliver. Yeah. Now if we come back inside, we only have 2 more rooms to show. Our room, which is also very small, you can come in it. That's our bedroom. I think when my friends came here, Rakes came here before, like we had like a little tiny TV on the top, and then we just got a bigger one. And yeah, Nothing crazy, but. And then now the best room in the house, but it's no, not best. I was gonna go to the bedroom, but Erica said the bathroom. So the bathroom, not the best room in our house. So this is our bedroom. I mean bathroom. Sorry.
Huge shower.
Very small.
Just worked out, so.
And then now the actual best bedroom in the house, but also the place where the teenager lives. So we gotta be very careful walking into there.
My turn.
Your turn because
Go do Peyton's room.
yes, not gonna do
I
Peyton's
just worked out and Balo showered and looked cute, so I don't look so great. But this is the best room in the house because she gets the most sunlight, and she just got a piano, which takes up half the room.
Yep.
But beautiful windows, lots of light, beautiful mural, desk, bed, greatness. So
Yeah, I like this one. This is my
a great
favorite room.
So she cleaned it. Looks wonderful.
I know. It's the
That's
coolest
our
I've seen.
huge, ginormous house. So hope you enjoyed it.